How to integrate Othello on Slack. Hi guys, let's get started immediately. Now the first thing you want to do is to be on your Slack account. Now you want to go to the left hand side of your screen and click on more. Head over to automations and click on it. Now you are going to be going over to apps and tap on apps. Now you want to head over to the search bar on apps and tap on it. Now go ahead and type in Othello there. Now after typing, the app should be out like this. Now you want to go ahead and tap on add. Go ahead and tap on add to Slack. Tap add to Slack again. Now go ahead to select your email address you have your Othello workspace on. Now on the right hand side of your screen, you want to tap add to Slack. Now go ahead and give Othello the permission by scrolling down and clicking on allow. Now you still have to give Othello the permission. Now you want to scroll down and click on allow again. And guys, right now Slack has been added to my Othello. You can see it right there. That's my account. So I'm going to head over back to Othello, and if you head over to apps on your screen, you should see Othello there. And this is how simple it is to integrate Othello on Slack. Now guys, if you found this video helpful, you want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more useful tutorials like this. Now I'll see you in my next video. Bye.